When you are counting down the days to your next cruise, they just seem to stretch on and on and on. Sometimes I wish there was a way just to speed up time. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, if you would do me a favor, let's hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Helps us continue to bring you cruising content and does help our channel grow. So my cruise countdown has begun. I am now 100 days away from my next cruise. The last cruise I took was in January 2020 aboard the Disney Dream. So it's going to be a year and 9 months before I get back on a ship again. And now I'm down to 100 days. I'm going to be taking the Carnival Breeze out of Galveston coming this September. Then I am 219 days away from sailing on the Disney Wonder out of Galveston, and 272 days from the Carnival Vista out of Galveston as well. Now that is going to be for Carnival's 50th celebration cruise. Really looking forward to that one. That one's supposed to have some throwback activities, some stuff we have not seen in a while, and there's going to be some ship meetups at sea. Not sure exactly what all that's going to involve yet, but I'm looking forward to something a little bit different. It's going to be one of those once-in-a-lifetime type cruises. Now, I have not booked anything prior to September, simply because cruising right now is just in such turmoil. Every day it's different. One day they're going to be vaccinated, one day they're not. One day they're going to test sail, the next day they're not. Protocols haven't been released. There's just so much unknown, so much upheaval, and so much changing on a daily basis that I just feel better waiting until September, let the initial stuff get started, let them work out all the kinks, the problems, the issues. That way by the time I go in September, everything should be good. Now, I did volunteer for test sailings. I doubt that I'll get picked up for any of them, but I volunteered anyway, simply because I think it would be a very unique experience to get to try it out, to see what the protocols would be. Just a unique experience. So if I get asked to go, of course I will go. Like I said, purely for the experience and the opportunity. But if they don't call me, hey, you know what? That's not a big deal. Like I said, all my stuff is booked for September, January, and March as of right now. Now, of course, if any special cruises or opportunities come up to cruise in between those cruises, I'll probably jump on those as well. Just because personally, I am really excited to get back out there, really excited to get back to cruising, and I'm getting antsy and tired of waiting. But that usually happens once we start counting down the final days. We get down into those double digits instead of triple digits. You get a little more antsy and start anticipating the cruising a little bit more. Now, I, of course, am fully vaccinated. I've already had both my shots. It's been 14 days since my second shot. So no matter what the cruise lines choose to do, whether it's vaccinated or unvaccinated, I am ready to go either way. We talked about it in yesterday's video where Carnival Cruise Lines is working with a third party on some new technology to allow vaccine passports to be uploaded to the cruise lines at the time of booking or prior to sailing. Something that the other cruise lines, I'm sure, are working on something similar as well, coming up with either their own plans or possibly they're all getting together and coming up with, one solution that everybody can use. Because, of course, that would be the simplest idea, is if everybody can just use the same one. You load it up there, goes right to the cruise line, and you're good to sail for those cruises that are going to require vaccinations, which right now, of course, we know is Alaska and Celebrity Cruise Line so far. I'm sure there are going to be others that will follow along. I know Norwegian wants to be fully vaccinated as well. Royal Caribbean is going the test sailing route currently. So they may have some both vaccinated and unvaccinated cruises here at the start. But of course, you never know what will change between this week and next week, what new rules the CDC may put out. You just honestly can't tell. It's changing so fast. I don't think we'll honestly know until the cruise ships actually set sail with paying passengers on board to exactly what's going to happen, since we are still waiting for the protocols for ships that are scheduled to sail in less than 30 days. So we'll see what happens, and of course, as we get the information, we'll share it with you guys as well. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.